Hi guys on YouTube, I went to Donnell Mill today and bought this yellow 6-inch metal fan, and it only cost £9.99, which was a bargain. So I'm going to do a video of you unboxing it for you and showing it running. Get this little fan out. Look at that baby. Got a second. That is a small. I'm gonna say it's a good deal. Alright, I'll wind the cord tie. Let's plug this in. And I'll start it off for you. It's a cute little. We're going to start it off on low. It's so quiet. It's so quiet, and it's got a good output on it. I'll put it on high. It really feels nice and cool. And off. That is so cool. I bought this in Donnell for £9.99, and they come in 3 colours. They come in blue, yellow, what I've got here, and red. I was going to get the blue one so it matches my room, but unfortunately they're out of stock in my local Donnell, so yeah, I went for yellow instead. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Bye.